In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in Tally Prime. It's simpler than you might think, and by following these steps, you'll be able to manage your transactions smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by opening Tally Prime, your go-to software for accounting needs. Once you're inside the main interface, you'll immediately notice the option to go to the gateway of Tally. This is the central hub where you can access various features within Tally Prime. Your next step is to head to the Vouchers section. Vouchers in Tally Prime represent the data entry part where most of the transactions are recorded. Once you're in the Vouchers section, you need to switch modes to ensure you're creating a debit note specifically. To do this, press Ctrl+H. This shortcut is your key to changing modes quickly, saving you a lot of time in the process. A menu will appear with different voucher types for you to choose from. Here, you'll select Debit Note. Now that you're set in the right mode, let's go ahead and set a date for your voucher. You'll do this by pressing F2. The date you enter here is vital as it aligns your debit note with the correct accounting period and ensures accuracy in your records. Next, you need to select the supplier ledger. This is essentially pulling up a record of the supplier related to the transaction you're recording. Ensure you choose the correct supplier to avoid any mismatches. It's all about maintaining precision in your records. Now, depending on the transaction you're dealing with, enter either the amount or the item details. Inputting the correct amount or item description is crucial because this information reflects the transaction's nature. Take a moment to verify this data before proceeding. An essential part of creating a debit note is providing a reason for it. This gives context to the transaction and helps both you and any other party understand why the debit note has been issued. Common reasons might include a purchase return or a rate difference. Being clear and specific in your reason will aid in future reconciliations and avoid misunderstandings. Finally, after reviewing all the details, you're ready to save the voucher. Use the Ctrl+A shortcut. It's the quick way to save your work in Tally Prime. Once saved, your debit note is officially recorded, giving you an accurate representation of your business transactions. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a debit note in Tally Prime. Always remember to double-check your entries for accuracy. This practice ensures your accounting data remains reliable and useful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this one.